You don't have to paint it. You just put it on. There you go, buddy. Okay, that's a little too much to the edge. Well, that's a lot at the bottom. I would say just put a little extra dot near the bottom of that A. You know what I mean? Just a little baby bit. All right, that should work. All right, let's get that other stick ram in here first. I have Q-tips if you want. Hmm?
They're not gonna work.
You want me to get a Q-tip? Hmm? You're brave. I would never use tissue paper on a CPU.
No boy.
I'm just gonna bunch the glob off it so it doesn't squish. Squeeze.
Squeeze, squeeze.
Yep.
To paint rather this should go here with the CPU fan. If I should just move them over one.
You know, hold on. Hold this for a second. Let me look how I have mine set up in my computer, because I'm actually
Because I know it just has to be every other one,
Yeah.
but I don't know if it necessarily has to be those.
Like move it over.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, first. Yep, nope,
Oh,
it's
you
supposed to be
couldn't
the other
see me
ones.
this whole time?
Yeah, I just looked.
What?
Yeah, it's supposed to be the other
Couldn't
ones.
see me this whole time? Hello.
To the CPU? No.
Yeah,
Second.
because I can see right here. If you look right there, shows connection first. That one, that one. So it's supposed to be this one and fourth. Second and fourth. Oh, no, it's supposed to be these three.
Got it.
I was about saying, like, that's a little close to the fucking fan.
Sorry.
Just trying to record.
Fuck you recording.
That's what I say with my job.
Okay, so the last
And that's what I
one
say to the attorneys.
and the
after.
second one. Got it.
That's what I say to the attorneys after I'm done filming.
Fuck your
Can I get a copy? I'm like, fuck you recording. I'm doing actual work. Fuck your stuff.
face of concentration.
You got it, or you want me to do it? Because I have two hands free. Okay, we got 1, 2.
Oh, yeah.
All right. You do you. So you're gonna have to take the plastic off of that first. Don't touch it. All right, you good?
Cold as a motherfucker.
All right. So does this go on the bottom?
No, probably out. Screws that. Screw it in.
Oh.
Screws?
Yeah. I'm saying it. You have them?
I have two that could probably work. I
Don't
don't
go
think
for
it would.
2 that probably works. Just make sure they work.
Oh, it's right there. Okay.
Yeah.
I know there's race screws on top.
Okay. So just make sure you put level, equal force when you're putting it on. You got it? If you need, I can kind of twist the cables so you can. There you go. Does that help?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
All right. Yep. Got it? Do the other one a little. Oh shit. Oh, fuck.
I shouldn't move.
You're gonna have to do this other one a little more because it came out. Feels like it's not going in the hole. Alright, that should be in there now. No, it's still not in there.
Okay.
Hold on. Oh shit.
So I have to.
Yep. Alright, you're good. You're good. Yep, there it goes. Fucking dick.
It's probably because I screwed that one in too tightly on this one.
Yeah, you did. Loosen that other one a little bit. I just don't want to keep moving the
Yeah.
cooler back and forth. You'll end up scratching the CPU.
Oh, no.
All right, it's good. So tighten, tighten, just go back and forth. I wouldn't want to tighten it too much. Okay, too much, too much.
Too much?
You got paste coming out. So just give it a little loosen, just a little. All right, and then get that tissue paper and just smidge.
Should I use a Q-tip?
Yeah.
Yeah,
there's
Q-tip
a
actually.
Q-tip.
Let me get a Q-tip for that extra. I just don't want the paste getting on your motherboard. Watch out. Bring the light a little bit more over, like kind of down like that. Yep, perfect. Okay, I think that's good. All right, let me see the bottom. See the flashlight for a sec? I don't think we have any paste coming out the bottom. All right, I think we should be good. I think it's because I was moving the, I was trying not to move it too much, but you should be good. There we go.
And we could actually just run the wires up there.
So you're saying like, hold on.
The spiral went down a little bit. That should be fine. Oh, no, actually.
Got it?
That should be fine. And the other ones. Up there.
All right, I think that's good. And then these other ones, like I can unplug some of these cables and route them behind the cables and the motherboard. You know what I
Even
mean?
if they went straight up, because this should cover it.
Yeah, but then you're still gonna have, well, you might have some excess wiring right here. Yeah, go ahead and plop her on. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Hold on. Bring this up for a second. Careful sliding it on the table. I've already scratched the table enough. Yeah, sorry about that. Nah, it's okay. Just buy me a new table.
I'll make you with my bare hands.
Nah, you know how many times Savannah?
Nice.
You know how many times Savannah has told me she fucking hates this table? Might make her buy me. I don't know. She just doesn't like it. I don't know why. If I can, hello, fingers, cooperate with me, please. Goddamn fucking piece of shit.
Wait, look.
Bitch, fuck, dick.
Oh, you're trying to put the wires a little further?
Yeah, I'm trying to just like get the excess to come. Oh, nope, can't pull my fingers through.
Gotcha.
Smart fucker. If you can get it in between my fingers. See him? Yep.
And then just pull on that.
Okay. And then I just want to see what I'm doing.
You can actually even zip tie that to the other zip tie right here. No hole.
That was close. Actually, yeah, I think you got a point. Is there anywhere? Yeah, I can. Fuck yeah, bitch. All right, cool. I'm okay with that.
That looks good.
You like the look? You okay with that?
Yep, I'm good with
Got a
that.
little bit of wiring right there. Just it's a little wiring here and there in some odd places, but
Right.
it should be fine.
I don't know if we'll have a
It's
static.
looking really nice.
I don't know if we'll have a static cable to hook up the hard drive, but I can hook up the SSD.
All right. Yeah, that's what
As long
really
as we get
matters.
the.
Where the fuck is this coming from?
That's a great question. Actually, no,
This is the
that
RGB.
was here, but yeah.
I think it's the RGB for the front fans.
I wonder if this has to plug into here. I mean, it would be plugging into itself, so it doesn't make sense, but
What?
it is a connector, so.